Excuse me, ma'am, just a week. Achal, you this side. Thank you. Achal. Yes, sir.
Hi, hello, welcome to everyone, and thank you so much for being here. I wish I could present off a ramp every day. Boardrooms can be so boring. I want to welcome especially and thank our friends from the media. I want to thank our dear customers for being here with us, and I want to thank the agency and all the people and friends who've joined us and watched the future unfold before you. Thank you so much again.
Thank you, Mr. Arvind. They say beauty stirs Wow, ladies and gentlemen, that was just spectacular. Woo! I can't hear it. One more time, please. Oh, that's the way. Hi, Manish. Anyway, thank you, models. Thank you, my gorgeous, lovely ladies and gentlemen. Wow, that's nice. It's nice to hear. May I request Miss Prabha Parmeswaran? Ma'am, could you please join us on stage, please? Hello, ma'am. May I please request you to speak on this lovely occasion?
Sure, I'd be delighted. So I hope you're having an exciting time this evening. Good. We went one too far. So this is our first beauty oral care product, which works. As most of you know, there's a revolution happening in this country, a cosmetic beauty revolution. And in oral care, as you know, we have not had that much coverage of beauty. If you look around the world, whitening is a very big segment. But in India, it's really, really been small. And that's what we plan to change with Colgate Visible White. Whitening in just 1 week. And Sonam will give us a big smile. And like all Colgate products, it has science and technology that supports it, which is why we guarantee that you will see whiter teeth in just 1 week. And it's a product that we have launched around the world, North America, Latin America, Europe, Asia, Africa, and it's been a roaring success. And now in India, we expect it to be a mega hit, because not only do we have a great product, but we have a great product endorser, Sonam, a beauty icon who's youthful and glamorous. So let's see Sonam in action.
Looking your best doesn't just happen.
Well done.
Well, I think a smile is something that everybody knows me for, and I guess it's a part of beauty, which, I think without a smile, I think beauty is incomplete, and if something gives you a beautiful smile, you might as well use it. So yeah, I think I was embarrassed to watch that right now. I didn't know that was going to happen, but it's a really nice ad, even if I say so myself. Okay, so I'm going to give it to Manish now.
Woohoo! Okay, you can't take over it right now. You know, Manish, I've always seen you creating such vibrant colors, like colors that I've never seen before. They're beautiful, and as a model, I walked for you, and I've always loved your colors. Why today white and red?
Good evening, everyone. And first of all, you've just not walked for me. I've loved you all my life. You have been one of my most favorite girls in the business. And Sonam for saying the perfect answer. Colgate visibly white. You get an outfit free. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for being here. And my wonderful friends who've been clapping. I actually bullied them into this. The talented hardcore, the very talented Ayushman is here tonight with us. So thank you so much, and all my wonderful friends. And this glamorous producer, Krishika, who just gets more and more pretty. And so here we are for Colgate Visibly White. I think when I saw the pack, that's the time when I got most attracted to Colgate Visibly White, because I thought it was really glamorous. That's the first thing I told Anish, that wow, a toothpaste that looks like that. And I think they're very honest. They tell you honestly that it's going to take a week for teeth to get white, unlike lots of other toothpaste which say it's going to happen tomorrow. Because nothing really genuine happens that fast. So I thought the whole color palette is very summer, and it's time that summer gets more and more red and out there with white.
Wow. We have a spokesperson here right next to me. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being here tonight. It was only more special to have you all here. Together we witnessed Colgate create history. Keep smiling, be beautiful. And yes, media, could you just give us 10 minutes, please?
Yes. Don't worry.
I'm sure they want a photo op. Dinner and drinks are served. Please proceed. Oh, you're really ready to?
The thing is that it's not just going to be dinner and drinks. I hope, Anish, everybody gets one. Yeah, tonight. So, and after a week, we'll check their teeth as well. Yeah.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being here. Dinner and drinks are served outside. And media, can you just give us 10 minutes for a quick question and answer round with Manish and Sonam? So we can't just let you go away right now. Quick 10 minutes and we'll be right back. Have a lovely evening. Good night. Sudipti signing off. Thank you very much.
Sonam. Sonam, first of all, Sonam, hi.
Where are you?
Here.
Hi.
Hi. First of all, congratulations. You're looking
Thank you.
fabulous today.
Thanks to Manish and Visible White.
She is fabulous.
So tell us, कितना आप walk कर रहे थे उस समय कितना मजा आया आपको? Would you like to tell us something about this particular?
मुझे तो जब भी मैं कोई खूबसूरत कपड़े पहनती हूँ तो मुझे मजा आता है. And I'm really excited that I'm the brand ambassador for Colgate Visible White, which is it's a new product, it's a beauty product, it's something that I'm really proud to be associated with a brand like Colgate.
I must say, काफी रांझना लुक लग रहा है आपका.
ये मेरी प्रोड्यूसर आई थी. अगर आप उसको वो बोलेंगे तो for Ranjana, I'm not at all so beautiful and glamorous. I'm very simple in that film.
And people are liking your.
Huh? Yes, which is also red and white, by the way, the uniform. Besides the fact that they were the Colgate colors. Well, I think it's a great process playing two different ages in any film because the body language is different, the way you perform is different, your voice is different, everything is different. So it's an incredible opportunity, especially in the Indian film industry where you don't get to play such a range. And I've been blessed to be a part of a film like Ranjana. It was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. I mean, there were 3 people who I worked with constantly in that film. There was Zishan, there was Swara, and there was Dhanush. And that was obviously me. And Abhay was just with me in the film. But I had the most incredible time. We're all really good friends now. And I think, I mean, you can see the chemistry on screen. Okay, so can we talk about Colgate now?
Sonam, what makes you feel red? Red what resembles?
White is just the color of Colgate. So I think my white, beautiful smile gets accentuated when I wear red. That's why I'm wearing red lipstick. So
Except for you, who do you think has a wonderful smile in the industry and whom you see that, oh wow, that's really beautiful. She has a beautiful smile. Who would that be?
Madhuri Dixit, for sure. I mean, besides the fact that she's been my dad's heroine for so long, and that bias is always there, I think she has the most spectacular smile. I mean, her whole face lights up. I think it's beautiful.
She's also a brand ambassador for another brand, which is a competitive brand.
Oh, really? I didn't know that. But, okay.
Manish, which actress looks more beautiful in red sari other than Sonam?
Other than Sonam?
Well,
What is this other than Sonam? Why can't it be Sonam
Well, right
always?
now, tonight for me, it's Sonam and Sonam and Sonam. But, you know, Sonam and we worked earlier in a film, I Hate Love Stories, which was a hit and which was lovely. We had a great time working with her. And there also she wore a red sari, which I thought, look, that was one of the first saris Sonam wore on screen. And I think red suits her a lot.
And for you, who has the beautiful smile?
Sonam, absolutely. I think, and I'm not saying that because she's standing here and we are here for Colgate, but I think her smile is from her heart. That's what I like about her. When she smiles or she laughs, it's from her heart. I've never felt that it's not genuine.
विजिबल वाइट को अपने कलेक्शन के थ्रू लाना इजी था, टफ था, क्या था और क्या आइडिया था इस फैशन शो के पीछे? इस फैशन शो के पीछे क्या आइडिया बेसिकली था और कितना इजी रहा ये विजिबल वाइट को अपने कलेक्शन के थ्रू लाना?
Well, it's summer time and I've just did a collection in summer which was a lot of lime green with whites, ivories. But I thought red was an interesting take in summer. You know, like this time internationally, black has been very successful in summer. So I thought that whole idea of that lush red coming out with some metallic, icing on it was very good for summer because it breaks the whole monotony because summer should always be light colors. So I thought that I enjoyed doing this entire white and then that whole bang of red coming in. It was like a canvas with a red stroke.
Sonam.
One second, Ji. I've convinced him to do brands now. He's going to do it because I'll tell you what, the kind of brands I do, whether it's Visible White, whether it's L'Oreal, whether it's the Gem and Jewelry Council of India, which is in association with Incredible India, whether it's Mont Blanc that I did with my dad, they're all classic brands which are, besides anything, they are actually quality brands. So I don't sign or do anything that I don't myself use or that I myself don't believe in. I don't sign like 15 to 20 brands at all. I'm not one of those heroines. I only do brands that are, have a lot of quality in it. And I explained that to Dad, and I told him, "Ki Papa, I don't think we should look at it that way, because I think the brands I do also give me a certain standard in the industry, because and the brands that sign me, they know that I only do quality products. So it gives me exclusivity because of that."
And Sonam, Papa ki baat hi ho rahi hai, to there are reports that, you guys are saying, like, we will see you, acting with your dad soon. Is it true?
No, that is not true. We are part of the same song, but I think he's in the beginning and I'm the end. And we're just doing one line of that. So, and we shot on green screen, and I shot absolutely alone. Twice a day. Yeah. Huh. I'm so sorry to correct you.
How many times do you brush?
How many times a day do I brush? I brush, okay, I'm a freak. I brush after every meal. Yeah. And I floss and I brush.
I have a question to ask Sonam, actually.
Huh?
So when a heroine does an intimate scene with a guy, with a hero, does she go...
I don't let them eat. Like, you can't eat.
That's what I would wonder. What would you tell the hero? Have you brushed today or not?
Yeah.
Or just before this shot?
I hope that happens, because it's a part of your daily regime.
One last question, please.
First let me do a film with him, then we'll think about brands.
I have a question about your collection. It seems very inspired with your Lucknowi embroidery and your shears and the sequence work. Anything specific that you had in mind going about the collection?
Well, I think
so pretty.
That is, of course, me, the Kashmiri work, the chicken curry that we do, the shear, the nets. The show is a lot of me because it is my collection. But I thought we did a lot of horizontal stripes, if you notice. We did a lot of, it's a lot of stripes, a lot of modernity. They were like palazzos, there were no salwars or churidars. Even the saris were very, very modern. I think it's a much younger interpretation of Indian wear. It's summertime, it's, Colgate Visibly White is for the fashionable and young.
Manish, I've only walked for two designers, which is you and Anamika. I have not walked for anybody else.
You
know that, right? Thank you. The only two designers. So I think like I said, whether it's products or designers or anything, if I have to walk for someone, I might attend a lot of shows and stuff like that, but I've only walked for two designers, Anamika and Manish.
Thank you.
Thank you. With my mom, I'm constantly we're always laughing at my father. So I think that's a moment when we both have this secret smile about something really eccentric my father does. So, yeah.
Mother's Day wishes, Sona, please.
Happy Mother's Day. It's a Western holiday that we are imbibing in India. I think every day should be Mother's Day. We are Indian people. I don't think we should be celebrating Western holidays and promoting it on television because of Hallmark. Okay. Thank you.